So guys, welcome back to Shootout by Inch, my host or Dosanj. Let's go. In this video, I'm going to tell you 10 best rulers. Let's learn about 10 best rulers. So ruler number 1, Ajatashatru. Ajatashatru was the son of Maharaja Bimbisara, one of the earliest ruler of the ancient kingdom Madhya in northeast India. Bimbisara came ahead in the front of Haryana dynasty in 543 BCE, whereupon he set about expanding his territory through marriage and conquest. Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya is influential for his founding of the Mauryan Empire and the consequent of unification of India into a single state. The major force in the region at the time was the Nanda Empire ruled by the Dhanananda and located in the kingdom of Madhya in northeast India. Number 3. Ashoka. The grandson of the Chandragupta was Chandragupta. Ashoka was the one of the India's greatest emperor ruling the Maurya dynasty with an empire that spread almost across the entire Indian subcontinent. Loyal ministers helped him to the throne in the favor of rightful heir, and he is said to have been a cruel and aggressive king too. Samudragupta, described as Indian Napoleon, though unlike the French emperor, he was never defeated in a battle. Samudragupta was a masterful military tactician and the leader of Gupta dynasty from 335 to 375 C. And guys, do you know Gupta dynasty was the most richest and the cultural dynasty of that time. They were speaking full Sanskrit and they were having a lot of gold and money. Pultasi too. In the 6th century, the Chalukya dynasty ruled over southern and central India, and Pultasi, born Araya, came to the throne as the boy, with his uncle Mandaslesa serving as regent. I think it will be Raja Raja Chola I. Correct? Raja Raja Chola I. The Chola dynasty has its root in the Tamil peoples of the southern India and dates back as far as the 3rd century BC. When the Raja came to the power, the kingdom faced opposition in the form of allied powers of the Pandya and Chera kingdoms in India and the Sinhala in Sri Lanka. Vijayanagara Krishnadev Rai. The Vijayanagara Empire of the southern India reached its greatest extent under the auspices of Krishnadev Rai, the third ruler of the Tuluva dynasty. His reign is defined by its military success driven by the tactical nous and truth thinking. His first acts were to the held annual plunder of local towns by the sultans in the Deccan Plateau, when his armies fought and defeated invaders in 1509. With local feudal rulers subdued, Krishnadev Rai turned his attention to the Rajapati kingdom in the Republic of Kalinda, which is now Odisha, secured in the period of peace between the two empires. And as do you know, there is a channel Tenali Ram on Sub TV. Mostly, it is depend upon Pandit Rama Krishna, but there is Krishna Dev Rai also in this, and Ashoka also. There is a serial. It was old. I did not remember the name. So number 8, Akbar 1. In the early 16th century, the Uzbek Babur, a descendant of the Timur and Genghis Khan, began his conquest of India, which led to the formation of Mughal Empire. Following his father, Humayun's footsteps, Akbar-e-Azam, born as Jalaluddin Muhammad, became the third ruler of the empire in 1556. Aurangzeb. When the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan fell ill in 1658, there followed a struggle for the throne between his four sons. Aurangzeb, governor of the Deccan, defeated his elder brother Darashur, occupied the capital Agra, and took his father prisoner. And thus, Aurangzeb also gave his father Shahjahan prison because Shahjahan spended a lot money of Mughal Empire in the Taj Mahal, and Aurangzeb prisoned him. Shivaji Bhosle. Shivaji Bhosle was the son of general born in Pune in the west of India. Educated, he took to the roaming the hills along the western edge of the Deccan Plateau with a band of men from reign of Maharashtra. Bonus fact: Prithviraj Chauhan. The much celebrated Prithviraj Chauhan during his reign had a stronghold over present in northwestern India and is popularly considered to be the one of the last Hindu kings of ancient India. Challenge question: best ruler of Khalji dynasty. This you all know, this is in description too. And the winners of last video: Mr. Minecraft, Priyanshi Styles, Dashin Gamer, Tanita and Travish, Ashmita Sindhu. The certificates link is in description too, and here is the link also. So that thank you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to watch my other video, please. Guys, if you want a special comment, please comment. Bye.